Are you looking for the best car radio transmitter? In this video, we want to the top 5 best car radio transmitter on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Lencent Car Radio Transmitter. The Lencent Car Radio Transmitter is a game changer for your in-car entertainment and communication. With an array of cutting-edge features and thoughtful design, it provides a premium experience that is a must-have for all car owners. Vibrant 1.8 color LCD screen. The 1.8-inch color LCD screen is a standout feature that sets this transmitter apart. It displays an array of information, from Bluetooth names to incoming phone numbers and even a mesmerizing animated music spectrum. The visual interface is clear, colorful, and engaging, adding a touch of elegance to your car's interior. Dynamic Hi-Fi Bass Boost. The exclusive bass key press feature delivers powerful stereo sound with crystal clear quality. Whether you're on a long road trip with your loved ones or simply enjoying your favorite tracks, the Lencent transmitter ensures a top-notch audio experience. Hands-free calls. Ensuring safe driving is paramount, and the Lencent transmitter makes it effortless to answer calls with a single button press. CDC noise cancellation reduces background noise, resulting in clear and reassuring hands-free calls. Advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The built-in Bluetooth 5.0 chip provides a stable and fast connection for streaming music and making hands-free calls. The device also supports smart voice navigation from your phone, seamlessly integrating navigation app and voice assistant audio into your car. Dual USB ports and QC 3.0. With dual USB ports, the Lencent transmitter keeps both the driver and passengers connected and charged. The QC 3.0 fast charging port is a lifesaver, charging your devices 4 times faster than standard charging. Easy setup. Setting up the Lencent transmitter is a breeze. Simply find a blank frequency on your car radio and match it with the transmitter's channel. Adjust the volumes to ensure optimal sound quality without noise interference. In conclusion, the Lencent Car Radio Transmitter is a top-tier accessory for your car that elevates your audio experience and ensures safe and convenient communication on the road. The vibrant color screen, powerful audio enhancement, and advanced technology make it a standout choice. If you're seeking a device that offers both style and substance, the Lencent transmitter is an excellent investment that will make your car rides more enjoyable and efficient. Number 4. JaJaBor Car Radio Transmitter. The JaJaBor Car Radio Transmitter is a true gem, combining innovation, versatility, and safety in one sleek package. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for any car enthusiast. 1.8-inch color screen. The standout feature of this transmitter is the 1.8-inch color screen, which adds a touch of elegance to your car's interior. It displays all the crucial information, from track details to call notifications, in vibrant colors, making it easy to manage your audio experience. Bluetooth connectivity. Seamlessly connect your Bluetooth device to your car's FM stereo system and experience the joy of wireless music streaming. This Bluetooth car radio transmitter ensures a reliable and hassle-free connection, enhancing your in-car entertainment. Hands-free car kit. Safety is paramount on the road, and the JaJaBor transmitter takes it seriously. With a built-in microphone, it offers an exceptional hands-free function. You can answer calls without taking your hands off the wheel, making your drive both safer and more convenient. QC 3.0 fast charging. The QC 3.0 fast charging feature is a game changer. It ensures that your devices are charged quickly, so you can keep your gadgets powered up and ready for action. No more worrying about low battery during long drives. Impressive sound quality. The treble and bass sound adjustments allow you to fine-tune your audio preferences, creating a tailored listening experience that suits your tastes. Enjoy your music the way it was meant to be heard. User-friendly controls. Most functions can be effortlessly controlled using the rotation knob, ensuring ease of use without causing distractions. This thoughtful design feature makes adjusting settings a breeze. Multimedia compatibility. The presence of a micro SD card/USB disk slot further expands your music options. You can enjoy your favorite tunes through your car's stereo system, all thanks to this feature. In conclusion, the JaJaBor car radio transmitter is a top-notch addition to any vehicle. It seamlessly blends technology, safety, and convenience, making it an indispensable companion for your road adventures. Whether you're streaming music, answering calls, or adjusting audio settings, this device has it all. Just remember to read the user manual carefully to unlock its full potential. The JaJaBor car radio transmitter is not just a car accessory, it's an investment in a more interesting and safer driving experience. Number 3. Tohayie car radio transmitter. The Tohayie car radio transmitter is a straightforward yet effective gadget for upgrading your in-car audio experience while ensuring your safety on the road. With its practical features, it's a welcome addition to any vehicle. Car FM transmitter with Bluetooth. This device serves as a car FM transmitter and Bluetooth MP3 music player, making it a versatile tool for enhancing your car's audio system. It offers the convenience of wireless music streaming through your car's FM radio. 1.4-inch LCD screen. The 1.4-inch LCD screen is a handy feature, displaying essential information at a glance, such as the current frequency and track details. It keeps you in the loop without distracting you from driving. Hands-free calling. The Tohayie transmitter provides hands-free calling capabilities with a built-in microphone. This feature not only enables clear and hassle-free calls but also promotes safer driving. You can answer calls without taking your hands off the wheel, reducing distractions. Fast charging adapter. In addition to its audio capabilities, this transmitter doubles as a fast charging adapter. It ensures that your devices are powered up quickly, so you can stay connected during your journeys. FM Zender modulator. The FM Zender modulator function allows you to transmit audio from the device to your car's FM radio, making it easy to play music or take calls through your car's speakers. This is a handy feature for those who prefer their car's audio system. In conclusion, the Tohayie car radio transmitter is a user-friendly and safety-conscious solution for enhancing your car's audio system and keeping you connected while on the road. Its hands-free calling capabilities and fast charging features make it a practical addition to any vehicle. If you're looking for a straightforward yet effective device to upgrade your car's audio experience and maintain safe driving practices, the Tohayie transmitter is worth considering. Number 2. Jinserta car radio transmitter. The Jinserta car radio transmitter is a compact and efficient addition to any car, delivering a blend of convenience and functionality that's hard to beat. Sleek zinc alloy build. The zinc alloy shell not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures durability. Its small size makes it compatible with most car models, allowing you to seamlessly integrate it into your vehicle. Speedy Bluetooth connectivity. With Bluetooth version 4.1, the Jinserta transmitter connects swiftly to your smartphone. Voice prompts make pairing easy, and the support for caller ID keeps you informed about incoming calls without distraction. Universal device compatibility. One standout feature is its ability to intelligently identify various Android and Apple mobile phones and other devices. This, coupled with intelligent USB charging and a substantial output current of 3.0, ensures your devices are powered up rapidly. Informative 1.44 LCD screen. The dot matrix screen provides vital information such as frequency, song names, and lyrics. This display is a valuable addition, keeping you informed about your car radio's status at a glance. Noise suppression and music playback. The Jinserta transmitter features noise suppression technology, CDC, during calls, ensuring clear and distraction-free conversations. Moreover, it supports Bluetooth stereo A2DP music playback, providing high-quality audio for your favorite tunes. Hands-free phone functions. The hands-free functions, including answering, hanging up, rejecting calls, and callback support, enhance safety by allowing you to keep your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. Multimedia support. The Jinserta device caters to your music preferences with compatibility for external TF cards and U-discs. It supports lossless music formats and offers file menu operation, along with automatic power-off memory function. AUX audio input and output. The inclusion of a 3.5mm audio interface is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to connect external devices and further expand your audio options. Multi-function menu. The transmitter's menu system is versatile, enabling EQ settings, language switching, and more. This flexibility lets you customize your audio experience to suit your preferences. In conclusion, the Jinserta car radio transmitter is a feature-packed, compact powerhouse that brings convenience and functionality to your daily drives. It offers an array of features to enhance your car audio experience and ensure your safety while on the road. The combination of device compatibility, information display, and music options makes it a great investment for anyone seeking a smart car audio solution. Number 1. JaJaBor Car Radio Transmitter. I recently upgraded my car audio experience with the JaJaBor Car Radio Transmitter, and I couldn't be more pleased with its performance. This versatile device offers a plethora of features that make every drive an enjoyable and safer one. Bluetooth and FM transmission. The JaJaBor Car Radio Transmitter boasts seamless Bluetooth and FM audio transmission. It connects to your smartphone effortlessly, allowing you to stream your favorite tunes with crystal clear sound quality. The FM transmission ensures that you can find the perfect frequency for uninterrupted listening. Charging protocols. The inclusion of various charging protocols like QC 3.0, Qube 2.0, PD, Huawei FCP, Samsung AFC, Beacon 2.2, and Apple 2.4 ensures that your devices are powered up quickly and safely. No more worrying about battery drain during your journeys. Music format support. With compatibility for WMA, M3, WAV, AP, and FLAC music formats, the JaJaBor transmitter ensures that you can enjoy your entire music library without any hiccups. Hands-free Bluetooth. The device supports hands-free calling, voice broadcast, music control, and navigation. This is a great safety feature, allowing you to stay focused on the road while managing calls and entertainment. Comprehensive protection. Safety is paramount, and the JaJaBor transmitter doesn't disappoint. It offers overvoltage, short-circuit, overcurrent, and over-temperature protection. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially during long journeys. Voltage monitoring. The real-time voltage monitoring display and low-voltage flashing alarm are fantastic additions. You'll always be aware of your car's electrical system's status, helping you avoid potential issues. Auto-connect and synchronized lyrics. The automatic connection feature and synchronized display of music lyrics are thoughtful touches that make using this transmitter a breeze. No more fumbling with settings every time you start your car. Versatile music playback. The support for UDisc and TF card playback means you can enjoy music even without a smartphone. The EQ sound adjustment feature allows you to fine-tune the audio to your liking. Breakpoint memory. The breakpoint memory feature is a lifesaver for those who hate losing their place in a song. You can pick up where you left off every time you start your car. In conclusion, the JaJaBor Car Radio Transmitter is an outstanding addition to any vehicle. Its wide array of features, combined with its commitment to safety and convenience, make it a must-have for music enthusiasts and commuters. I can't recommend it highly enough. Don't miss out on this fantastic gadget. It's a game changer for car audio.